Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make money from Cryptomania. First, log into your Cryptomania account. One easy way to earn money is through daily rewards. Simply logging in every day will get you free rewards consistently, so make sure to check in daily. Next, you can earn money by spinning the wheel. Just tap on spin, watch an ad, and spin the wheel for a chance to win free rewards. Another method is completing challenges. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see different daily and general challenges. Complete these challenges to earn various rewards. You can also make money by trading. Start by watching a tutorial, which can earn you a 3K bonus. After that, you can place trades on different pairs. If your trades are successful, you'll make money based on your profits. Tournaments are another way to earn money. By joining tournaments and participating, you can receive rewards based on your performance. If you refer friends, you can get even more rewards. Go to the three-line menu at the top right of your screen, tap on Get 5K for a friend and copy your referral link. For every friend who signs up using your link and opens 3 trades, both you and your friend will get 5,000 added to your game balance, which you can use for trading. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.